Hey guys, I'm out here today. I'm short on footage time, but I'm gonna show you every fish that I catch today. This is one little smallmouth, first fish today, smoked this little top water. A little hook funky, but I got him. Not today, hippie. Yeah, out in like on the other side, like between that tree and that fucking bluff, it's deep. Man. Oh, like between there and there. So you want to get on that little gravel bar right there and fish this? Like there's like a right here. There's a you can kind of see it over there. But there's a left round hump that's shallow. So we won't be able to go. We're gonna be swimming if we try to cross around there. But yeah, it's deep up in here. All right. Let me. Might be a spot to throw a worm. I just missed it good. I think we can. It's my trial run of my micro rod. Let's see if we can get anything. There he is. There he is. There he is. Oh, long-eared sunfish. Woo, this is my micro rod. I made it last night. It's not completely finished yet. I gotta add a spool right here, but man, look at that pretty little sunfish. Go ahead and break the ice on the micros. Seems to be quite a few of these little guys in here. I'm using a size 22 scud fly hook for fly fishing to catch all kinds of stuff. It'll catch these sunfish, but it'll also catch sculpin and mad toms and darters and stuff. This one? Smallie. You got a smallie. A worm. Little bitty hook. Oh, look at that smallie. Johnny's getting done. We came out here for suckers. But smallmouth are always welcomed. Always. Throw this bad boy back out there. Ain't got much casting distance with this, but it's working. Looky there, guys. There's another little pretty long ear. We're actually looking for different species other than this guy today, but look at those red, gorgeous fins. Anyways, I'll get back to you. We're about to get a sucker line out, get a big ball of worms out there. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, we got one on the micro rod. What is it? What is it? It is a tiny smallmouth, and he released himself. So we're gonna take this, and we're just gonna toss it out there. I'm using 4-pound mono, a very small fly fishing split shot, size 22 scud hook. We're gonna see what all eat that little thing today. And we got another one, but that was on my bigger rod. A little long ear. There's plenty of them. There's no end of them. There are plenty of them. Our main goal today is suckers, but we're seeing them. I don't think they want much to do with us. No end to long ears. Oh, he drilled it. It's so hard to keep a bait on the bottom here for a sucker because of all these sunfish. Oh, that's bigger. What is that? That's a nice smallie. Yeah. There we go. There we go. You know what? I'll take that. A little bitty hook right on the inside of his jaw. It took me worm. Jonathan over here just shat his pants, I think. Oh, there he is. Oh, big sucker in there too. Ooh. Nice smallmouth down there. All right, just a good smallie right here on the micro rod. We're gonna get back over here. He's still in there. We're gonna try him again. Oh, he's looking at it. Got him, big smallie on the micro rod. I ain't got no reels, so we're just sticking her on in. Oh, that's not a bad smallie for micro. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, slippery little fish. Look at, ah! Little smallmouth, little tiny hook right in the corner of his mouth. Beautiful little fish. I'm so eccentric about this microfish. It's super awesome. All right, guys, I got rigged back up. We're gonna toss the micro one back out there, get in there, see what happens. Oh, she's got another smallie, another good one. Oh man, oh, that was so cool. Oh man, I'm gonna get real addicted to this microfish and stuff. It's almost like crack. Look at that little guy pulling my worm. But look at him. Right in the corner of the mouth. I like these little hooks, size 22 scud hooks, guys. Catch every fish swimming. Look at here. Micro rod, no reel. Oh, got him. What is it? Oh, what are you? He's not fighting very hard. Rock bass, sunfish. Big ass green sunny. Lots of them. These guys are good eating if you can get enough of them. I'll tell you what. Oh, don't do that. Gorgeous. Whoop. Out of here. Oh, I got a big one, guys. Nice creek smallie. Oh, he's a good one. There's more in there taking off. Look at this guy. Oh, that's a good one. Looky there. That's more the size we've been looking for. Let's see if I can unhook him without hooking myself. Almost like that. We got one hook out. Don't mean to drop these guys, but damn, they're spiky and I have a lot of hooks in it. And he's off the hook. And I'm hooked and he's running away. Calm down, calm down. I want to see you. Come here. Ugh. Look at that one, that's better. That's a much better quality smallmouth. Catch them out of these little creeks, little streams. Look at that fish, guys. See if we can get a cool release on him. Guys, this is probably the biggest smallie of the day, and he is dark and pretty. He smashed this bait. About to smash me. Just a little tip, guys, don't go smallmouth fishing with treble hooks. Gosh, look at that dark boy. Ow! Look at that one. Goodness. Gorgeous smallie. Good size too. He's almost a pound. Yes, sir. Johnny done hooked the biggest one of the day. Look at that tank. That's about the size of the last. Pretty close.
Like the one you got.
Look at that fish. Let me get that hook out first, because that's dangerous stuff with these smallies. You gotta choke that thing like you're choking your own chicken. Look at that smallmouth.
Chucky monkey.
Very nice. Micro hook, micro worm, micro rod. It's this easy. Just get you some small hooks. Let me try to get this on video. Oh! Oh, there he is! Oh, he's a fighter! I'm talking about you guys can eat for days on these things. These guys are so hard to catch with a net. I've caught 6 the past 1 minute on a little tiny hook, little worm. It's easy, just put it out there, you drag it around. Oh, missed him. Oh, they're all over it. Smallest one of the day so far right there. That's what I'm talking about.